Available now at Titan Machinery. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2006 Case 420 CTL with 1,004 hours. This skid steer features a 2,500 pound rated lift capacity and a 72-inch bucket with hydraulic coupler, along with a single-speed transmission and 13-inch tracks with 50% tread remaining, and an enclosed cab with rollover protection, hand controls, and a vinyl seat. For more information on this Case 420 CTL, contact our sales team at Titan Machinery. To view more equipment videos, check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel.